The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. Then this tutorial I'm using Chrome browser. The next thing you want to do is to come to your address bar right here. Go ahead and type in any video converter, hit enter on your keyboard, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. Right click on it and then click on open link in the tab. Then go ahead and click on here. Then you have it right here. Any video converter free. So best free video converter and compress so with millions of RP and devoted for over 20 years. So scroll down right here. You have some of these are free right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. If you are using go ahead and click on free download for Windows, click on it, and it's going to redirect you right here. Download any video converter free instantly. Go ahead and just like so, you can see the application has successfully here. Go ahead and click on save, and right here allow it to save successful. It's just about 9.2 megabytes right here. So it has been successfully downloaded to your PC. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and minimize our browser. And we want to make sure we look for our download folder to bring out the software setup. So for that, I'm going to open up this particular folder right here. And I'll go ahead and click on my download folder and go ahead and click on the software setup right here. Go ahead and hit enter key on my keyboard. After you have successfully download and install any video converter right here, next thing you want to do is to click on it and open up the app, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to format convert, then go ahead and click on add media file, then select your WMV file. This one right here is one of the files, so I can decide to use this one right here, this particular file right here. Select on the file. You can see the file format here is WMV. Click on open. The next thing I'm going to do is to come to the output profile right here. Click on the output profile, navigate to video, navigate to MP4. Then we have the necessary settings right here. Video encoder, you can switch your video encoder. I'm going to leave it as H.264. Then the frame rate, I'm leaving it as original. You can decide to change the frame rate as the case may be. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on convert now. This is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and hit on continue. And in a few seconds, the file will start conversion from WMV to MP4 as the output result right here. You can see the file format is now MP4. So you just need to wait until the file are successfully conversion. As you can see, it's about 2% right here. After a successful conversion, and you are done, and you are going to have the output file to be MP4. It's that simple. For more tutorial about file conversion like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.